Hi, I'm Sneha, and welcome to day 4 of my 100 Days of JavaScript Projects. Today, I'll show you how to build a simple but fun random color generator. First, let's talk about the HTML structure. Inside the body, I created a container div to hold all the content in one place. Within this container, there's a heading that tells users what the app is. Below the heading, I have a div to display the hex color code that updates dynamically. And finally, a button that users can click to generate a new random color. Next, the CSS styles the page to look modern and clean. I use Flexbox on the body to center the container vertically and horizontally, so it looks balanced on any screen. The container has a glassmorphism effect with a translucent white background and blur, making it stand out from the changing background colors. The heading is bold and large for easy reading. The color code text is bigger and bold, with a cursor pointer to show it's clickable. The button has subtle styling with a hover effect that changes its transparency, making it visually appealing. Now, the JavaScript brings the app to life. When the button is clicked, the generate color function runs. This function generates a random hex color by creating a random number and converting it to hexadecimal. Then, it changes the page's background color to that random color. It also updates the color code div with the new hex value so users can see it. Additionally, clicking on the color code copies it to the clipboard, making it easy to use the color elsewhere. And that's how you build a simple random color generator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more daily JavaScript projects. Tomorrow, I'll be building a to-do list app for day 5, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.